Hey guys, it's been raining here and hail. Have a look at the driveway. And in the on the bin, your phone was just ringing. Up all the driveway. Fucking hell. On the roof.
Yeah, it stopped now.
Stopped hailing, but
It stopped now. I think you'll get better. Hell.
I'm going to attempt to go down the stairs carefully.
Very careful. I have never ever seen that.
Last time I saw something like this was a few years ago. Mind you, it's winter. No. December, January, February, March, April, May, August. Yeah. Winter. Back end of winter. And it has not hailed like this in a number of years. Looks like it's been snowing on the letterbox. Have not seen this in years. It's probably only about not even 10 degrees out. That's Celsius. What's the conversion for Fahrenheit? I reckon it's about 10 degrees Celsius. Yeah, but with the hail,
Probably wide.
it'll be about 10 degrees.
Yeah, give it eight.
Max. Max 10 degrees. So what would that be Fahrenheit? Zero would be 32 Fahrenheit.
Centigrade. 0 would be freezing point. Probably by 5, maybe 10 degrees. I'm guessing. But
Nice and chilly. Dry off my screen and camera. Got a little bit wet. Still raining a little.
you know,
But it's been years since I've seen anything like this.
I've never. All the years I've been in here, I've never seen this.
I've seen this twice before now.
Yeah, I've been here since '85 and I've never seen it. Yeah, but nothing like this. Jeez.
Yeah, I've seen it like this twice before, where it's completely covered a driveway.
Except for over there.
Yeah, except for where it's undercover naturally.
Yeah.
But water's washed away most of what has landed under the bushes, on cars that are out in the open, on the roofs obviously.
And even pick out the blue car.
Yeah.
On the blue car, on the window.
Some on the windows, some on the roof.
Yeah.
You know.
Fuck.
it's been years since I've seen it like this.
Yeah, because I was just on the laptop.
I was just in my room playing games.
And you know how I picked that up?
Yeah.
All the just there, it's all sticky now.
Yeah.
And I was just sitting there, all I heard was the thunder. I went, oh yeah. The next minute, boom.
I heard the thunder. I'm like, Julie's not going to like driving in this weather because she hates it.
Yep.
Then I heard the rain. I'm like, okay, it's raining.
Yeah. Then I looked out.
Then it started to sound heavier rain. So I looked out the little hole that Yugi's made in the blind.
Yeah.
Like, that's not rain. Rain wouldn't come down
like
in just that section there.
And that's when I came.
I'm like, that's not rain. That's hail.
And that's when I came in and I lifted the blind up. And fucking hell.
Interesting way to start this vlog.
I know.
Very interesting way to start the vlog.
Welcome to Melbourne.
You know, it's Melbourne when it's sunny to start the day, and then 10 minutes later it turns to that.
Yeah.
And it's on TV as well.
Yeah.
Whew. And it's going to be fun for me mum and sister. They're at the football. The amateurs. Fitzroy game. Which I'm just going to go check the scores actually.
Yeah, good idea.
see how the reserves are going. See how the thirds and under 19s went as well. Nobody. No Yugi. Yeah. Yugi, my cat. Again, you're getting another appearance in my videos. Whew. Yeah. So, just been watching Christian Miracle doing a react video from last year on his Life of Miracle page. I'll link that in the description. But yeah. And hello again, Yugi. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah. Say hello to everyone. Yeah, home game for Fitzroy. Brunswick Straight Oval. Victorian Amateur Football Association. Trying adjusting myself with a cat on my back. Yes. Live scores. Ooh. Yeah, that's it. We won. Nice. Yep. Seniors won. Reserves haven't been put up yet at the time of recording. Thirds, we won. Ooh, by 1 goal. Can't remember which one there. Under 19's right. I think it's section 2. Okay, so they haven't been posted yet. Where are we on the ladder now? Yeah. Did Williamstown go? Yeah, they won. Next week we play Williamstown. at their home ground. Williamstown Beach. Yes, right by the beach. So, that'll be an interesting one. There's only 2 weeks left of the home and away season before the finals. So, hopefully we can win the 2 games next 2 weeks, and hopefully Williamstown lose. Yeah, if Williamstown lose to us next week, just check percentage wise. We win the next 2 games. That'll put, we're on 14 wins, they're on 15. Put us to 16 wins. Them to 16 wins. They'll be up on us though by percentage, I think. But if we can win by a decent margin both games, because yeah, we smashed them, smashed old Ivanhoe this game, 91-28. Yeah, like a couple of weeks ago. It was in the reserves, I believe. Round 14. No, it was round 15. So last round, which was 2 weeks ago, because we had a week off last week, we're up against Old Mentonians, me being a Fitzroy supporter. It was 230 for Fitzroy to 20 for Old Mentonians. So, absolutely annihilated them. So, yeah, that was quite interesting. So, in the next, couple of weeks, we'll see how everything turns out for us. Hoping we can win. Our last 2 games, and hopefully take top spot for the league. But it doesn't matter if we actually get first or second, we still get relegated up to B grade. So just need to keep the foot on the gas, and the ice out there, the hail, like I said before, I haven't seen that in at least 5 odd years. it's weird seeing that nowadays. Well, not in a way, yeah, but not really in another way. But yeah, haven't seen that in ages, so just thought I'd film a little bit of it. Didn't get it while it was hailing, so sorry about that. Anywho, I'm gonna leave it at that. So, see ya.